Hey everyone, this is Yogesh from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to talk about what you can get with $1. There is a new plan out from Builderall and you can get that from $1. I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay around till the end of the video to get all the details about this amazing $1 plan, and you'll be surprised the amount of tools you can use within this plan. Welcome back. So if you're not familiar with Builderall is basically sales funnel software with a lot of different tools all under one roof. So you don't have to look around for email marketing or tools such as chatbot. There are a lot of other things that I will just explain to you as we go along with this video. What I'm basically getting at this is you get Builderall, you don't need to use any other tools. Basically, that's the idea behind what Builderall is all about. Now, they just launched a new program where you get a complete access to their 30 digital marketing tools just for $1, so you can try it out. Now, the main the plan that you're getting access to, the price for it is right here. It's a premium all tools, which is $69.90, right? So this is what you're getting it, but you can try it out for 1 month and see how it is for $1. So that's what they're just launching up. Now I'm just going to go a little more in details what exactly you're getting at it and how you can get started to, for just $1, how you can get started and start building your sales funnel or online marketing affiliate program if you as an affiliate, if you are interested in promoting Builderall. So let's go. So they're talking about 30 digital marketing tools. Which 30 tools are there? So the first one is the Cheetah drop and drag website builder, and yeah, this is where they have all these little bit more description of all these 30 tools, so you can actually click on the link and you can actually see how it works. Where it is the Cheetah website builder mobile. Most of the traffic these days, if you're looking at, people are on their mobile, so they're using mobile more than they're using desktop, laptop, etc. So how to optimize the mobile section of it. Membership area, so you're not if you have a course, if you want thinking of building an online course, you get membership area. Testing, just to test to see which one converts better. Checkout, the affiliates, the upsell, downsell, bump sale, the countdown, and then they have the page loading accelerator, how fast you can load your page, the pop-ups, the email marketing, so you don't have to sign up for any other plan from the other autoresponders such as Aweber, ConvertKit, Active Campaign. You'll save money on that. The SL certificate, the full SEO optimization. So, and you can go on, and don't worry, I'll have the link in the description. You can go back and check it out, this page, and if there's anything that you want to know more detail, just click on the this button, see in action, and it will show you. So start about first one is the Canvas funnel builder. So in there you get 20 ready to go converting sales funnel templates, such as the squeeze funnel, lead magnet. I mean, you can go on and you can read it yourself. All kind of funnels you can get in the Builderall. Now they also follow-up emails. You don't have to worry about getting any other software, and you can track everything in the analyze that how your tracking is. And this is what they're talking about, the premium plan, which is $69.99 right now for monthly. You get that for $1, and you can try it out for the next 30 days right here. So it tells again, it's a sales page to talk all about it. Now buy now, and you also get a special offer. You can add a unique package of bonuses to your dashboard. So on top of that, you are getting bonuses such as the mock-up studio. So people who are mock-up of their product, you can get a 3D photo editor studio. If you want to selling digital products, they can get the mock-up, so they don't have to go on the buy Photoshop or actually go on Fiverr and hire somebody to get it. You can if you're pretty good, you can get it done on here. As a bonus, you get all of that, and you also get access to the Builderall's Funnel Club, which is the templates. They already have it, more than 30 exclusive professional ready template to go. You get access to that, and you can just add it to your own to make your own funnel. And this is what it is. So you get the full access to premium plan, which was $69.99. You get all the Builderall tools. You get super bonus package that I talked about, where you can get a mock-up image for your digital products if you're selling that, or a physical asset that you can build it up, and a complete access to Builderall's Funnel Club for only $1. That's right, so only $1. Now, little disclaimer. So that is only for the first 30 days. So first 30 days, you get access to this for $1. After that, they'll start charging the regular price, which is $69, right? So and if you don't need that with tools, you can downgrade it to a lower plan. But for $1, you get access to all the tools. You can see how it is, check it out yourself, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it. And all it is you're just investing $1, but you get to know about all the tools. So which is pretty good, right? So there's a link below which will be going back to this page, and all you gotta do is click on this and complete your information and get started with $1, guys. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if there's any other videos you want me to make up on Builderall or any other software out there that you want to know about it. I can do a review on it and make a quick video on it. All right, guys.